This ThagBrco Electric Spin Scrubber pairs with compatible 18-volt power tool batteries, so it delivers strong, consistent torque that feels closer to using a drill than a flimsy gadget. You get 8 different brush and pad attachments, which makes it genuinely useful for everything from soap scum in the shower to grime on tile floors and even car detailing. The motor offers 2 speed settings up to about 1,000 rotations per minute, so it can power through baked-on dirt that would normally require serious elbow grease. A long extension handle with several length options and an adjustable head angle lets you scrub high walls or deep tubs without crouching or overreaching. The waterproof housing is rated for heavy splashes, so you can confidently use it around wet bathrooms and sinks, as long as you avoid fully immersing the tool. Thoughtful ergonomics and relatively lightweight make it comfortable to control for extended cleaning sessions, turning what used to be a back-breaking chore into something much more manageable.